Are you tired of clicking through dozens of Salesforce tabs just to find a field? Install Inspector in under 2 minutes. First, we'll find the right extension, then add it to Chrome, and finally confirm it's working. Start by opening Google and typing Salesforce Inspector into the search bar. Then click on the result for Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. That's the one from the Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and click Add to Chrome to begin the installation. Wait a moment for it to install, and congratulations! You've successfully installed the Salesforce Inspector. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.